What's brewing, the union government has issued an advisory to citizens cautioning them against practices of certain edtech companies. In fact, we learned from sources that the edtech sector is working to bring out a self-regulation code. Mugdha, you have all those details. Take us through them.
That's right. The edtech industry, which is under fire with the government issuing an advisory against mis-selling and some other practices by a few edtech players, is working to bring out a self-regulation code, sources have told us. Now, industry body IMAI has been working with members, which include the leading edtech players, to bring out some form of self-regulation for the sector. Now, the government, remember, has taken note of rising complaints against some edtech companies and has put out an advisory on December 23rd in which it has warned citizens to carefully evaluate free services promised by edtech companies, and has also alerted that some edtech companies are luring parents in the garb of offering free services and are activating the auto debit feature, especially targeting the vulnerable families. Now, the Education Ministry has also put out a list of do's and don'ts which want customers to avoid automatic debit option for payments of subscription fees and to avoid credit debit card registrations on these apps. There have been multiple social media posts and reports about edtech company such as Byju's that cites instances of misleading and mis-selling, which has led to some concern in the industry. Byju's did not respond to CNBC TV 18's queries on the advisory and on the customer complaints. With that, it's over to you, Shruti.